Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to talk about an exceptional audio upgrade for home theater enthusiasts, the Klipsch Reference Premier Floorstanding speaker with Dolby Atmos built-in elevation topper. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. First off, the Klipsch Reference Premier isn't just a speaker, it's a statement piece for your home theater. The floor-standing speaker sports a sleek ebony finish that looks incredibly premium and will blend seamlessly into most living spaces. With a larger 90° x 90° Hybrid Tractrix registered horn, it not only adds a bold visual element but also enhances sound dispersion, making every note crisp and immersive. The built-in Dolby Atmos elevation topper is cleverly integrated into the top of the speaker, eliminating the need for additional Atmos speakers while keeping the setup clean and streamlined. Sound quality, Dolby Atmos and beyond. This speaker truly shines when it comes to sound performance. Thanks to the Dolby Atmos technology, it creates an expansive 3D sound field that transports you directly into the scene. You'll notice sound effects coming from above, around, and in front of you, which is perfect for bringing action-packed movies and intense gaming moments to life. The Tractrix registered horn delivers precise highs with minimal distortion, while Klipsch's signature copper-spun woofers add depth and power to the bass, ensuring that every explosion, dialogue, and subtle sound effect is clear and impactful. Performance with movies, music, and games. The Klipsch Reference Premier adapts beautifully across various entertainment formats. Watching movies becomes an immersive experience, with every detail and layer of sound distinctly audible, as if you're in a professional cinema. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the full-bodied sound this speaker delivers, whether it's rich vocals or powerful bass lines. Gamers can also expect a new level of immersion, with sound cues being accurately positioned, adding a strategic advantage in competitive games where directional audio is key. Key features: Dolby Atmos built-in elevation topper, adds height to the sound, enveloping you in a 360° audio experience. 90° x 90° Hybrid Tractrix registered horn, improves sound clarity and spreads sound evenly throughout the room. Copper-spun woofers, provide deep, punchy bass that resonates without overpowering. High power and sensitivity, designed to fill large rooms with sound, making it perfect for home theaters. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning sound quality with Dolby Atmos immersion. Excellent build quality with a stylish ebony finish. Clear, powerful bass without needing an external subwoofer. Ideal for both movies and music. Cons: large footprint, not ideal for small rooms. Premium price point, but worth it for audiophiles. Final verdict. Overall, the Klipsch Reference Premier Floor-Standing speaker with Dolby Atmos is a remarkable addition to any home theater setup. While it may come at a premium price, the value it delivers in terms of sound quality, design, and immersive experience makes it worth every penny. Whether you're a movie lover, audiophile, or avid gamer, this speaker will exceed your expectations and redefine what home audio can be. If you're ready to transform your living room into a top-tier entertainment zone, the Klipsch Reference Premier is definitely worth considering.